and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a new recipe I just found out about, either for a dinner idea or even for breakfast. Yes, it is the potato omelette. So what we'll need for this meal is some potatoes, which I have peeled. I'll be using like 3 of these potatoes because I'm not going to make much. This is my first time, I don't want to make too much. So we'll be needing cheese too. I have here my cheese, a bit of onion. Yeah, I'm going to be adding a bit of chili pepper because my husband loves chili pepper. I've taught him how to eat it. And some eggs. I'll be using just 3 eggs too. Like I said, depending on the quantity you are going to make. And here I have my smoked salmon or turkey. You can actually improvise by adding maybe sausages, depending on how you just want it, or bacon. So now let's get started. I'm going to start by chopping the potatoes into tiny bits like this. So guys, as you can see, my potatoes are all chopped and ready. So the next step is I was supposed to fry the potatoes directly, but I used my own way by cooking the potatoes for at least 3 minutes because I wanted to be sure it is soft and done when I try to mix it with the eggs. You can actually skip this step and just go ahead and fry it immediately. So I'm allowing it to cook for like 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, this is it. I'm going to drain the water out of the potatoes and move to the next step. So the next step, I'm just going to pour in some extra virgin olive oil or vegetable oil into a pan and fry my potatoes. So while the potatoes is frying, I'm going to move into the next step by breaking my eggs into a bowl. And mix it up. So now I'm going to check back on the potatoes and stir and add in the other ingredients like my diced tomato, diced onion, and a bit of the diced chili pepper. Mix everything up and try to match your potato as it's frying with your spoon to a paste, just like as I am doing. Match it. So guys, if you notice the potatoes are getting softer, so just match it to form a bit of a paste, not fully like a mashed potato. So the potatoes are ready. I'll just allow it to cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to add the mashed potato into my egg mixture, just as you're seeing it. Stir everything together. Next, I'm going to add a bit of salt to taste, some black pepper, a bit of aromat, just add whatever you like, and a tiny bit of stock cube, not so much. I'm going to mix everything up. So guys, this is the consistency I got. Now let's move to the next step. Just add a tiny bit of oil in the pan you used in frying your potatoes. Very tiny. I think mine was even too much. Now pour in a bit of your paste like this, not everything, just a part of it. Smoothing it out. Now it's time to add your cheese, your bacon, your sausage, whatever you decide to use at this stage. It is time to add them. So I'm going to be adding like 3 cheese like this. As for my smoked turkey, I just have only 2 left. I would have loved to use more, but this is all I have at home, so I added it like this. And the next thing you do is to pour the remaining part of your paste on top like this. So guys, at this point you can decide to add more cheese or bacon or sausages on top, or you can decide to just leave it like that and allow it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to turn this over. You have to be very careful here because it might break. So I got a plate and flipped it over so the other part can cook. Well, it didn't come out perfectly, but well, I tried. So guys, this is it looks like, not bad, right? Looking so fluffy and yummy. And yes, when my husband ate this, he really loved it. He said it was very tasty. I thought it was tasty, and for my first time I think I did well. So maybe next time when I do it, it will come out more perfect than this. So this is the end result, guys. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.